Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Connected Devices and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, you need to tap on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this Nokia. Wait for the pop-up to show up and select Pair. Now wait for this device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them by tapping on this gear icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!